2017 Nissan Altima. We're going to go over here and we're going to press this little button down here. Brings you to different menus, and we're going to go over to the star. Then we're going to go up and down. We're going to look for maintenance. Then we're going to press in on that, and we're going to go service because we just did an oil change. We're going to reset it. So we're going to go reset, hit OK. Let's reset this. So we're going to put this at 8,000. That's what the customer wants and what we're servicing for. We'll go down here and we'll go to reset. And that's it. The service intervals were turned off, so now they're turned back on. So we have the oil set for scheduled maintenance now. Okay, so that's how you set the oil change reminder light. Thanks for watching.